Here we have been come to this magnetic separator. You can see this is the magnetic separator here, and this is in fault at the moment. You can see the fault indication is coming. This one fault indication is coming, and the magnetic separator is off at the moment. The power is there. You can see this power indication is coming, as well as the fault indication is glowing. So the fault indication should not glow. We are going to remove this fault from, or reset this fault from this unit. Here is the unit, you can see, and this unit is how it is. There is a transformer and there is a bridge rectifier over here, 3-phase, and here is the motor circuit for this one, and here is the magnetic separator circuit. So here you can see this one, this red button, we will reset, and then this fault will go. So this way we will reset it, and then later on we will switch off all these 3 circuit breakers, and we will keep it switch off for certain time. And this fuse also we will remove. I mean to say, we will open the jack for this one, and then we will switch on all the system again, and let us see the fault. And see, this fault has been removed. So see, this fault has been removed and the power is there. So now the system is ready to operate. So we will make it operation, and then I will show you how it is operating. Now this system will switch on, and while they will give a command, because this is from the PLC system, the command is coming. While the command will come, so this system will start. So see, the system has been switched on. Now it is running, and here on the indications you can see this run indication is coming. This green indication, run, is coming, operation, and here it is taking some voltage, 100 volt, and here it is taking some 12 ampere the current it is consuming on the from the transformer. And these all both of these contactors are switched on. You can see this is for the magnetic separator magnet, and this is for the motor. So magnet is over here. You can see this drum type magnet is there, and the motor is there on the top, and the motor is driving this belt, of course. So this way the magnetic separator works, and I show the fault and resetting procedure in this video. So friends, hope this video will help for you. If it is helping, give a big thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, press on bell icon, so then you will get notifications on each upload. Thank you for watching.